Hi everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to join us this afternoon. This is Craig for OneGrid. I'm quickly going to show you how to build a very simple website for a bakery. We're going to be doing this every single week where we're just showing you what exactly our DIY website builder is capable of. And what we thought we would share with you is also just how to build websites for all the various industries and also to empower you as either a website designer or a business owner to show you how quick and easy it is to get a website online for a customer in just about any industry. I've already loaded my website builder, and the screen that you're seeing now is basically exactly what you will see once you've signed up for the OneGrid DIY website builder. So basically, to get started, and the process should only take us about 10 minutes. So to get started, the website builder will basically ask you a couple of questions. Once you've answered that very briefly, you'll select your color palette to begin to select a layout for our website, and then begin to add some pages, and we are actually going to publish this website, as I said, in less than 10 minutes. So let's go. So we're going to select our industry. As I mentioned, I'm going to do a website for a bakery. So I'm just going to select bakery. We're going to go next. I'm just going to choose a sample name and call it your business name. And website builder will now basically ask you to select a color palette for your website. So I'm going to choose something quite bright and vibrant for our bakery. Select the first color palette available, and what basically happens now is website builder is technically building the site. So everything is being put together. There's nothing for you to do at this stage, and in less than 30 seconds it's going to present us with a couple of layouts, and this layout will pertain to the home page. You'll see it has a title at the top there. It says choose home page. So let's have a look at a nice layout that we can follow. I think I'm just going to select, let's go with this. And what you now want to do is just at the top right hand side of your screen is click create your website. And you'll notice at this stage that I haven't actually uploaded any images or typed any text into the website builder. Basically, the website builder is smart enough to know which images it should pair up with which industry. And we also pre-populate the website with some sample text that you can actually use to get going. So that's basically it. I've got a nice layout that I can start with. And I'm basically just going to have a quick look at what this layout would look like in a mobile view. So I want to see what this looks like on a cell phone or on my iPad. I'm going to just hit the preview button at the top right. What I'm looking at now is the basic desktop computer view. I can then select the iPad view. So everything fits in quite nicely, and that is the mobile view, which is obviously the one that's going to possibly bring you the most traffic to your website, because everybody searches on mobile these days. So that looks like a decent enough view. I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to just exit the preview. And then before I hit publish, I'm going to just build out this homepage a little. So I'm actually going to just add some content. So I would just like to add a section who we are as a business. So I'm going to say add this portion of content. You see again, it's adding the text and the images for me, and it's quite easy to edit this text as well. So you basically double click, and just as you type it, so it's just going to add this copy directly to your website. There's no need for you to code anything, no need for you to upload any widgets or plugins or extensions. Everything is contained within the website builder. So I'm just going to add a few more sections to my homepage. want my website to be very visual, so I'm just going to add some more images by means of a gallery. Okay, we're going to go for this one. And then also, of course, I want people to get hold of me, get in touch with my bakery. So I'm going to say add content. And we're just going to have a look at what is available to us in terms of content. And so I'm going to add something that is able to display my address and also give my customers a map as to where exactly the business is. And we needed to add that to our website. Now I've kind of changed my mind about this section in the middle here. So what I'm actually going to do is just to remove this. I'm going to add something else. So I'm just going to add content. And I'm just going to add some icons by means of this 3-card design element. So I'm keeping the logo and the header of my website intact. And there, see, as I just hover with my mouse over these different sections, you'll notice that I can actually just edit these portions. So I can give it a sample copy. And it's okay if you don't have all the text right up front, you can always come back and change this at any time. Then you also have some options there for formatting this text. So if you want to do it bold, if you want to add a link from this text to another page of your website, you can do that as well. And I'm actually just going to move this gallery down to the bottom of my home page. So you'll see the up and down arrow on the right hand side. Just going to move this down. Maybe just between these icons and my contact section, I'm just going to add another portion of text. You see how easy it is just to update the headings or the text directly. Again, no coding skills needed. And basically, I think that's enough for me to have a simple home page. I'm again just going to switch to the mobile view to see what this actually looks like. So on the top right hand side of the screen. So that's basically the tablet view or the iPad view that I'm going to have. All the images are freely available with Website Builder. Mobile device, which is going to be the most popular one. And you notice that I didn't have to do anything to say to Website Builder, make this mobile or make this responsive. Everything just happens automatically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another page to my website. We also want a page dedicated to just our contact information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a contact us page. Drop down at the top, click the plus symbol, and we're just going to have a page that says contact us. The location says the top level because I don't want this to be a sub item. I want this to be displayed directly in my menu. So I'm going to say contact us. Done. And you see immediately it adds the contact us portion of that page into the menu. And I can now begin to add content directly to this page. So again, the plus sign right at the bottom. I'm going to go add content. And I want something slightly different to what my home page looks like. Choose that as the banner for our contact us page. And I'm just going to replace the text. So again, just double click wherever you want to make changes. And then I'm going to add some contact us portions to the website. So I'm just going to have every section dedicated to allowing my customers to get a hold of me. So I'm going to add a contact form. It's my form, so it's basically done, and the only thing that I need to do is to replace the email address of my sample store. So when somebody fills in this form, basically information is just going to come through directly to me via email. But, I also just want to add a portion for adding my telephone number. So add another contact section. And I'm going to use the section here with the 3 icons. It's going to have my telephone number, my physical address, and the email address. And then obviously again, I just want to make sure that people are able to find my physical location. So I'm going to say add content. And I'm just going to add this full width map as a section to my contact us page. I'm fairly happy again with my page. Again, flip through the different device views. I'm just going to see what this looks like on our mobile devices. So there's the section at the top. It has a form. It has my physical address, email address, phone number, and it has the map that people can actually reach me. Yes, I've added a contact us page. Now I also just want to add a page dedicated to information about my company. So I'm quickly going to add an about us page. So again, right at the top in the middle of the screen, drop down. I'm just going to arrange the pages that I'm adding right now. Add a new page and say about the bakery. And again, you can automatically, or not automatically, just manually sort the pages as to where you want them to display in the menu. That's it's done. And then I'm just going to start building out my about us page, and we're almost through. So again, I just want to keep my website very visual, so I'm just doing images of my business again. Add some more content. So I'm just going to reserve this portion for a review. A testimonial from my customers, and once I've got the actual review, I can just come in later, double click here, and I can write in the actual review. Right, and then I'm just going to add some more sections for displaying information about my company. So we have a host of options here, so it doesn't matter which industry you're in or what type of site you're trying to build. There's just endless options here for adding content elements or design elements to your website. Right, so, and I think for an About Us page, that's going to be enough information. I'll just update this at a later stage with the actual text that I want to be displayed. I'm quite happy with the way my website looks right now. Again, if we want to just have a look at the different views on different devices, just to be sure that when we go live with our website, everything is in place. Also see that the menu on the mobile view looks slightly different. So it has these three lines, what we call a hamburger menu. And if I expand that, you'll see my menu very neatly laid out, very different to what I had on the desktop view, where each and every item is written out in full. There's obviously no space to do that on mobile, so automatically your website builder knows what you're trying to do, and it will compress everything behind the hamburger menu for your customers to expand and click through to any page. Okay, I think I'm fairly happy with the preview. So again, that was just under 10 minutes. We're putting this website together. I'm now going to hit publish. And again, with our website builder, there's no need for you to upload any files or to download any plugins or extensions. Everything is just automatically available to you. And you'll see that the layouts are very professional. You don't have to worry about spacing, text running off the screen on mobile devices. And we're just going to check now what my website looks like. So this is the sample domain name that I've been using. And you'll see there the website that we've just built live is basically ready to go. So I can now give this address to my customers, and they can visit my website. Let's just have a look at all the pages that we've added. Here's our About Us page. Everything very neatly laid out. And our Contact Us page. Very simple, making it easy for my customer to get hold of me. And that basically is my 3-page website that I've done in about 10 minutes. Super easy. These options are all available to you from the OneGrid DIY website builder. If you want to have a look on our website, remember the service comes with free website hosting, so there's no need for you to get the website builder and additional website hosting. Everything is contained within one package. The options that you're looking for will be found right here under DIY Web Builder. And you can have a look at the various options there. The package that I was showing today is the very first one, the website builder. Later on in this week, I will show you how to actually connect your online store. So the one that you're looking at is the website builder, and it's available for as little as only 109 Rand per month. And that's going to give you drag and drop features in the way that I've showed you. Your website is going to be immediately responsive. You don't have to worry about building a separate website for mobile. Everything out of the box will just work immediately. So please visit us at onegrid.com, have a look at our website builder, and do get in touch with us at sales@onegrid.com if you do need further information. Thank you so much for joining us.